No, let's go this way. Let's find some eggs this way. Go in the front of the house. Where's the front now? Hey, there's one right here.
Fine.
It's my favorite color. Miller, put it in here. Mil. Put it in here. Put it in the bag. He put it in the bag. Yay, look at Mama. Say cheese. Fun. Good job.
Where does the mail go?
Maybe the mailman dropped it.
Oh, hey, Lincoln, stay out. Those are flowers, man.
Maybe the bunny had the mailman deliver it.
I think. Where does the mail go? Where do we get the mail from? Well, let's check that. Here, you want me to hold that? There you go. Do a pull up. Hey, ta-da! What's up, pal? That's your name? You show me? Oh, I don't think there are any more eggs left. I think you guys, you egg hunters, found them all.
A little bit more. Oh my.
Levi, watch out, bud.
Got it. Yeah.
I was gonna try to stand up.
Good job.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Oh.
Hey. That thing open?
Got the
Yeah,
film.
you got it.
I got the film. Woo, I got the film.
Alright, what are we
Look
doing?
at that whole thing.
Yeah. What are we doing?
We are just, I don't know what we're doing.
Are we destroying this cabinet? This big bulky thing?
Oh, that's a big
I don't have a clue.
thing.
Yeah, those are pokey. But what do we get to do now?
Can I hold the camera?
Yeah, but what do we get to do right now?
From outside.
Throw them out the window?
Yeah.
Isn't that so much fun?
Yeah.
Alright, let's open the window.
Yeah. Yeah. That's yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Get out.
Here, I'll take the camera. Oh, I'll take the camera. There's the pile of stuff so far. Okay, so we have this big, bulky, monstrous cabinet that we almost killed ourselves getting up here, and it's old and kind of rickety
Yeah,
and
what about me? What about me?
kind of useless now, so
Now what about
we're tearing it apart,
me?
and the
I
easiest way
thought
is throwing it out the window. So.
These ones don't have punchy things.
Yep. Throw those out there, Mel. You want to see too? Yeah. Throw them a long ways. Good job.
This one is a
Very careful though, because they have those spiky things in them.
Don't worry.
Hey.
A bullseye.
Yeah, you want to see too.
Oh,
Careful,
I got
bud.
an idea. Stand on me, Miller. Stand on me. Bah. Is it cool? Is it cool up there?
I think he likes it. That's a helping brother.
Yep. And open. Nice two big ones.
Yep, throw those big chunks out. Watch, Mel. Just throw one at a time, because they're heavy. Yeah. You practicing throwing, Miller? Oh yeah.
Is that a bullseye?
That was a bullseye right on top of the other one. Yeah. All right, next one. Watch it, Miller. Let's watch.
Bullseye. It was my
Here,
time.
maybe you need the hat then. Need the hat?
Yeah.
Hard hat? There you go. Yeah.
It's my first time. Maybe
Is that too big for you? Okay.
Yeah, it's
I'll put it
big.
down. There we go.
This is my first time. I just screwed all this out. So you don't want to get these things because they're a little bit cold. Okay.
Yeah, those are kind of short.
Yeah, they might go like this. Right in your
Yeah.
finger.
Yeah.
And on Sunday, I just got stung by a bumblebee and a badger, and then there's lots of bees in charge of the bumblebee hive, and lots of stung me.
Wow.
Lots of badgers stung the bees
Wow.
because I could gut. And there was one more bee. He was big. Giant, big one. And badger was big like a giant. So he just ate all of the bubble.
Wow.
So I could get the hive. There was a whole bumblebee. It was a giant bumblebee hive.
What?
And then I just got it, and then I just ran and then I got my bow and arrow. It was in
Excuse me.
the hair, like this.
Wow.
And then-
You shot the bumblebee hive?
Yeah,
That's
and that's how I got. That's my story. That's
cool.
So let's get. Yeah.
All right, so we got this thing all torn down, and got the old hard hat on.
What is this?
So we stay safe. The boys are helping me. What I have to do is throw the rest of it out the window, which is the fun part, right, Lincoln?
Yeah.
Lincoln's been the drill man. He's taken a lot of screws out, so he's been a big helper.
Damn much.
Wow, power tools. And there is
Dad,
that
where's
the
the hammer?
all the screws that
Yeah,
Lincoln
where's
took out.
Where's Dad?
I got the hammer right here, pal.
Okay.
Right here in my hand.
Okay. Dad, which do you want to use? The hammer or the drill?
I'm done with both of them for right now.
But
You can use the drill if you want to
but
take more
Dad,
screws out, or you can hammer on stuff.
Dad, we need some help on this.
Miller? Yeah, thanks.
Dad, guess what?
Yeah.
You need the tool if you wear that hat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can have the
Okay, I'll have the
spinning.
hammer. Thank you.
Let's get drilling.
Let's get throwing stuff out the window so we can wrap this project up. And we got
Yep.
vacuum clean. Get it all cleaned up again. All right?
All right.
Here, I'll show you how to. Here, can I show you? Go like this. Tip it upside down and pull the trigger. Okay? You want to pull the trigger? Yep, turn it just like that. Get it? Now push it. Oh, good job. Got it. Do the other one now, Lincoln. I think that one's done. Let's turn it up a little bit more. There you go. You got it? There you go. Good job. I think you're done. Pull the handle off. Yep, I think it's done. Pull it out. There you go. Grab the handle. Yep, pull on it hard. It'll come out. Work it, work it.
I don't
Is it
know.
a tough one? Oh wow, no joke. Alright, we need the hammer. Where's the hammer? Right here. Okay, stick that right in there. Yep, just like that. Pry it out. Attaboy. Other side. Hook. Yeah, hook it on the other side. There you go. Try that. Try that one. Oh. There.
Cool.
You got it.
I want to break it.
Oh, no, we need to save it. We could use that hardware for another project someday. Yeah? You want to put it in here with the rest of the stuff? That's all of it.
First, we need to make sure it's sure.
I saved all the hinges and the handles. All the hardware from that cabinet, but that thing was a beast. Whew. It's all solid press board, actually. So it's heavy as heck. And we got her out the window. It's dark and raining, so we're gonna close this window up and we are finished.
I want to see that red.
You wanna see it one more time?
And what am I doing? What do you think I'm doing? Nothing. Oh, we're just running. I got running. Someone just running. Oh, okay, that's it.